and sad while Bobby sang the blues. With the windshield wipers slapping time and Bobby clapping hands with mine, we sang every song that driver knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing ain't.
Hi there, I'm Lisa. I'm the ukulele fool standing in front of this camera here hoping that I can foolishly help you with your ukulele journey with me and Bobby McGee. We only need 3 chords for this song. Your easy chords, but we're going to do a modulation, as we say in the music business, or a key change. So you're actually going to need these 6 chords. I have 2 simple strums that you can do with this, but I'm going to show you a more complicated strum that adds more interest and flair to your playing, and if you want to level up from that, I have a little harder variation as well. This can be applied to lots of songs, so I hope you dive in and learn that. This song was a patron request. Thanks so much to Anne for suggesting this song, and then I have another patron request in this. Molly said, can you show us some walk-ups and walk-downs? So got you covered, Molly. Thank you so much to all my patrons for your support. You keep this channel going. And speaking of keeping this channel going, make sure you hit that thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you find this content interesting. It helps this channel grow. I've got my signature History Nerd section on this and a play along. So find the section that works for you. Make sure your uke's ready. Let's go. In this song you need a C chord. I'm sure you've got that mastered. You also need a G chord. I play mine with these 2 fingers on the C and A string, and then my E string is handled by my ring finger on the 3rd fret. But you can do this switcheroo if it feels better for you. Index finger, reach over with your middle finger, and then the ring finger is still on that E string. There is also a D7. It is a barred chord. To play it properly, and I sometimes use this finger to help put a little more pressure on that barred chord, but you can also do the easy D7, and in fact in the play along that's what I'm using. These 2 fingers right here. You also need an A chord. Like that. You need a D chord. I play the traditional way, getting 3 fingers on the 2nd fret of your G, C, and E string. I will add links to other ways that you can play the D chord. I've got it linked both above and below. I also have an E7, index finger, middle, ring. Those are the 6 chords you need. The easiest strum that you can put with this song is a cowboy or bum ditty strum. Bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum. I am playing with a low G instrument, and so it's really helpful if on that first down string you only catch these 2 strings, and it gives it some more of that cowboy guitar flair. You can also do the island strum with this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I will put links down below in the description box for other videos to help you with the island strum and also the bum ditty or cowboy strum. I do a pick island strum with this song. I am using an instrument with a low G, and it really sounds particularly cool with a low G. Pick, down, up, down, up, 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 pick, down, up, down, up. Let's just do some of the chords with this song with that picking. So a little bit of practice and drill. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, begin. G, down, G, down, G, G, switch to D7 now. controls on YouTube to slow this down, or if you're using Google Chrome, there's a great extension that you can put on that allows you to slow things down 10% at a time. You can add even more flair by picking your G string and then your C string and alternating between them. So you're going G, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, C. And it doesn't matter what chord you're playing, because you can do it on a G chord. I'll do it on that D7 and G. Isn't that cool? So that'll take some training, retraining actually, of your thumb. I didn't learn that overnight, and so I expect that most people need to really practice that. But you can come back to this song and then apply what you've been practicing. I'm just going to keep the play along with the pick G, just to keep it simple.
That driver knew freedom's just another one.
To do a walk up in the key of G with a low G, I am playing that G twice. G, G, then I go to an A, which is 2nd fret on the G string, then B, which is 4th fret on the G string, and then I go to my open C. G, G, A, B, C. And then I go right into the C chord. I'll do that again for you. If you've got a low G, grab your instrument, do it with me. Here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, do that again. G, G, A, B, C.
His body next to mine. Freedom's just another word.
Let me show you the walk up in the key of A. We're playing an A chord. Let me break it down for you. I'm playing my A already with my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. I am reaching with my ring finger to the 4th fret to get a B. Then my index finger goes back up to the 1st fret of the C string, and you have a C sharp. Then middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the C string, and then you're ready for a D chord. Let me show you that again. You've got an A, reach with the ring to B, index finger, C string, 1st fret, 2nd fret, C string. Let's play it together a couple times. 1, 2, ready, begin. So 1, 2, let's do that again. A. Like that. G, 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 A, B, C. Let me break it down for you. You've done your G chord. You've gone big, down, up, G, G, A, B, C. And then you go to your C chord. So when you're in your G chord, your ring finger is right where it needs to be. That's your G note. 2 times on G, 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 open A string, A. B is the 2nd fret on your A string, and then you know our friend C, C, down, up. I'll do that again. me. 1, 2, ready, begin. G, 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 A, B, C. 1, 2, do it again. It's G, 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 A, B, C. 1, 2, do it again. It's G, 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 A, B, C. Playing the walk-up on reentrant tuning in the key of A, yeah. Just listen to it. I'll show you the problem. Or you could do it this way. Not the best sound because you're having to go up so high on the ukulele, but not the worst either, and it's good training. So let's give it a try. It's all on the A string, so you have A, B, C sharp, and D. Particularly if you're going to go to this fingering of the D for, use your pinky. If not, A, B, C sharp, D. Let's play it a few times. I will use the regular D. 1, 2, 1, 2, start on A, B, C sharp, D. 1, 2, let's try it with an A and A, B, C sharp, D. I'm so glad I got to learn more about this song because I just knew what I grew up with, which was Janis Joplin's version of Me and Bobby McGee. And so as I'm looking to do a cover and tutorial on it, I'm going like, well, my voice sounds, like I take care of myself. In other words, I sound more like a church lady instead of the harsh, raspy, bluesy sound that Janis Joplin was able to get. So I was looking for other sources for covers and came across Chris Christopherson, who wrote the song. He and Fred Foster wrote the song together. Interesting things came across my way as I was sleuthing into this. So Chris Christopherson and Janis Joplin were romantically linked. And so that's probably why she got a hold of this song as a cover. And then she recorded it just before she died at age 27 of a heroin overdose. You knew that, right? Anyway, it was the second #1 hit to ever become a hit, #1 hit, by somebody who had died or posthumously released. The first one was Otis Redding, Sitting on the Dock of the Bay. So I also learned that there's really a Bobby McGee, except for her name wasn't Bobby McGee, it was Bobby McKee. So Fred Foster had a crush on the secretary for, let's see if I can say his name right, Boudreaux Bryant. His secretary was Bobby McKee. And so he suggested this title, Me and Bobby McKee, to Chris Christopherson, who misheard it, understandably, Me and Bobby McGee. By the way, Felice and Boudreaux Bryant wrote all kinds of hits that you know for the Everly Brothers out of Kentucky. They wrote Bye Bye Love. I'm looking at my notes. All I have to do is dream, and then wake up, little Susie, wake up. I have a tutorial linked up here and down below for Bye Bye Love. It's a staple. You should have it in your ukulele vocabulary. All right, that's the history nerd. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Busted flat in Baton Rouge, headed for the trains, feeling nearly as faded as my Bobby thumbed a diesel down just before it rained. Took us all the way to New Orleans. I took my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana and was blowing sad while Bobby sang the blues. With the windshield wiper slapping time and Bobby clapping hands with mine, we sang every song that driver knew. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing ain't worth nothing but it's free. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when Bobby sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and Bobby McGee. From the coal mines of Kentucky to the California sun, Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Standing right beside me, Lord, through everything I've done. Every night she kept me from the cold. Then somewhere near Salinas, Lord, I let her slip away. Looking for the home I hope she'll find. But I trade all my tomorrows for a single yesterday. Holding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing ain't worth nothing, but it's free. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when Bobby sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me. Good enough for me and Bobby McGee. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Me and Bobby McGee. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Me and Bobby McGee.
I hope that this tutorial and play-along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go and keep spreading the ukulele love.